Hey all, last video I posted was Easter of 2021, so it has been a hot minute since I've been on here. But what I like to try to do on this channel is it's geared towards sort of the campfire guitarist, if you will. Just a way to take songs that may be a little more intricate and kind of just dumb them down a little bit so that you can play pretty much anything with just you, your voice, and a guitar. So today I'm doing Break Up in the End by Swindell. Very simple song, and the way we're going to do it, it's we're going to use 5 chords. And one of the chords, well, you know what, we're just going to jump right into it. It's going to be a C and a G. I always say, if you're uncomfortable with the traditional C, use the C add 9. A lot of times songs that have a G also have a C. They sound really good paired together. So the G to the C can be a tough transition for a new guitarist. But the C add 9 is simply the G chord, and you take your top 2 fingers here and just drop them each one string. I like the sound in this song better with the traditional C, but if you're struggling with it, the C add 9 makes the song even easier to play. The only problem is, and the reason the C is good here, is because we're doing an F-type chord that is basically the C chord, just dropping the middle and ring fingers 1 string each. So the chords we're going to use is a G. I'm not going to waste too much time going into G chord, you should kind of know if you're playing guitar. C chord, you should know. We're going to play an A minor in this, which is simply the C. Keep your pointer finger on that B string 1st fret for the A minor. Just take your middle and ring fingers, and they're going to both go on the 2nd fret on the D and G strings. And you're going to play the A string down. So you don't, on an A chord, you don't strum that low E. And then lastly, we have this F, which from here, we're just going to drop that middle finger down 1 string, keep it on the 2nd fret, and then the ring finger is going to come up to the D string on the 3rd fret. Okay, there's one more chord in this that is, it makes it, it's a welcomed addition to this song. It fits in really nice, but it's pretty easy to play, and it's only in there at the very end of the chorus. So it's a G/B chord, is how I was taught it. So it is quite simply your 2nd fret A string, and then the easiest way, then it's the high E on the 3rd fret, and you strum all 6 strings for that, because it's a G-rooted chord. So that's going to be there at the very end. So now let's jump right into the progressions. So I'm going to kind of sing through the songs, and instead of saying the words to the song, I'm going to say the note that I changed to. So hopefully you can just kind of play along. So it starts on a C, right? We're not going to go into, there is a very beautiful picking intro to this song, but that's for when you got a band, or if you're really, really good at guitar. We're just trying to get the chords down and be able to, play the song by ourselves pretty easily. So anyway, let's jump into it. So it's going to start on a C. I'd still walk in that G, a little A minor. Notice how I kind of, before I start singing the next line, I just sort of strum up and down on that A minor while I'm getting ready to transition to the F. So C, bar is a G, A minor, and then we're getting ready to switch that F. I'd still ask you what's your C, drinking, what's your G. Now we're going back to the C. We're basically starting over. I'd still kiss you by the G, last A minor at 2A F, even though C we break G in the C. Okay, that's it. You go to the next verse, I still play my favorite song in your car. Let you F, love me do it till it felt like our C to G, and it resets. Okay, now all I hear is G in it. but A minor lets you F, even though, see, we break G. Super easy verse. Chorus is also very easy. Same chord progression. We're going to throw in that G dash or G/B chord, but it's just a little bit different order. It's going to start on the A minor when he gets to the and even if I G, it'd be the C that got a F. I'd still go back. Stay on that F while you're singing that. I'd still go back and C, G, and back to that A minor. Even if I G, B, okay, C, F. Playing on that F. Girl, I'd still make it C, G. And now we're coming to that G, B. So it's starting on the C when he just goes over, and then the GB comes in on the second over. So over and over, and then it's A minor to F, which we already know. So C to that GB to the A minor to the F. Okay, so over and over, again and again. And then it's just C, G, C. Even though we break up again. You know, this one's a little abnormal. I actually never even tried it with just a G, but if you went over and over, again and again, that sounds fine too. So you can just go, if you're having trouble with this G, B chord, just go C, G, A minor, F. So then it's a completely 4-chord song. So, I mean, that should really cover it. It's a really basic song. It's a beautiful song, incredibly well written. And so, pick up your guitar. Oh, we got a capo on the first here. Most songs with the capo on the first, they sound fine with the capo off of it. So get a capo if you don't have one, like $4. But if you're really bare bones and you just got a guitar, you can still play this song without the capo. But A minor, G, C, and then that F. I will say one thing about the F, actually the way it's played really is like an F/A, where he's got that same F chord, but he actually is dropping the pointer finger to catch the high E on the first string as well. So I think it sounds fine with the F, and it's a little bit easier when you're transitioning to just omit that first fret high E. So pretty easy song. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys learn it, enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.